guys, I am really excited about this cake today because it is a Christmas tree. You guys, totally, it was unanimous, like blown out the park. Like everybody wanted this cake. So I'm super excited that we get to do it today together. And guys, it's so easy because you can do this and you can do this. You could totally do this. So next week when it's Christmas and you're going to your Christmas dinner, you should try to make this cake because it's so special when it's all done. The real big key to this cake is having different colored greens. So I have so many different tones, so many different colors of green, which makes this cake really pop and stand out really, really awesomely with all the different colors. So I'm going to start here. I have kind of like I don't know, like a leaf, kind of like an olive green color here with a star tip. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around with just randomly and just make a little nice rosettes here of green. And all over, so it can kind of look like, I don't know, it's going to be so cool when it's all done. You're going to have all different colors, all different shapes, and I really want to make these rosettes nice and big so they go around the cake and really fills up a lot of the space. So I really, really want to just make sure it's nice and even. And guys, starting out, all I had was I had several cake layers that were just cut and formed into, like you can start with an 8-inch cake, 2 8-inch layers, and then 3 6-inch layers. And I just kind of mold it to kind of look like and cut it so that it looks like a tree. So the next color that I have is a hunter, more like a hunter green, with the same sort of thing going on. I'm just going to go around with my nice big rosettes. You see guys, it's just like going around clockwise. You guys could totally do this. Just want to make sure we get it nice and even all around. I have so many buttercream bags here, so if I run out, I'm just going to add more. It's so fun. Here, next is like a lime green kind of color, and for this I'm going to do just little squirts, little poops there like that. And I also can do nice big swirls too. It's whatever floats your boat. You can do anything. And you'll see, you'll start to run out of space, which is exactly what you want. You kind of want to like fill it all up with different shades and different textures. So all this Christmas tree, this is what makes the Christmas tree shine. Some beautiful different colors and shapes. So yeah, this one is an open star tip, but it's a lot of little small bits around the opening. So there we go. And so the next part here, guys, is kind of like a mint green. I have really pretty mint green. This is a little smaller of a tip, so it just makes an even cooler design here as we go around with this tree. And just fill in all the gaps, guys. This is the really fun part where everything just comes together and you see this beautiful tree. You guys tag me in your photos if you try this tree. If you try making this, try your hands at this, you guys. You could do it. I would say it probably would take about 2 batches of buttercream to make this tree, because it is a larger tree. Definitely have to make sure you set this guy in the fridge when you're finished. And before I started, just in case you might want to know this, I did have to put it in the fridge for a little while so that it could set, because all this frosting on one cake, it would be challenging for it to keep its shape. It would try to start leaning different ways, and that's not a good thing. You want to make sure that you have a nice firm tree tree to start with. And this last one that I have, a little bit deeper, not as minty as the other one color, but it still has bits of green and white together. So I'm just going, it's just a circle tip there, and I'm just going around, and this is like my final little guy that goes in and just kind of fills in the blanks, the empty spaces. And you guys could always just go back in as you feel like you want to. And you know, the really cool thing is you guys could do this with pink. You guys could do this with like ivory, cream colors, whites, like whatever kind of, because I see that, like there's like a whole like pink and gold kind of theme that people love to do with Christmas. I love that. I love pink and gold for trees and stuff. So you could do a pink tree. You could do whatever color you want, which is super fun. You can be as creative as you want to be. So, okay. So I think he's just about finished. You might see a couple little spots there. I'll have to kind of look at him from another perspective when I'm off camera and see if I can find any little spots. But for the most part, I think the tree is well covered. So I love how it has all the different colors of green. So now what I'm going to do is I have some lovely little golden balls here. So I'm just going to go around and find little spots that I want to put these little balls here all around my tree to just kind of give it some beautiful, beautiful decoration. Just imagine bringing this, guys, to your parties. Like, people will be like, oh my gosh, how awesome. And that is what you want. A showstopper. And this part can get a little messy. I'm not gonna lie. This part, you could just go to town and just throw it on there and be the little artist that you are. Or you can try to take your time, like I am, but I know at the end I'm going to be throwing this on the tree off camera probably. I'll save that joy for Auntie Sophia later. when she comes and helps me clean up afterwards. Some of you guys are probably like, oh, poor Auntie Sophia. It's true. She does so much for me with cleaning. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a couple little golden balls here. Just a couple, because it kind of just sticks right to it for the most part. And it's really, really pretty because the gold goes really nicely up against the green. I hope you guys can really see that on camera. And then here at the end, we have the most beautiful part, I think, of the whole tree. And that is the golden star. But before you put the star on top, a good rule of thumb is before you insert something into your cake, you want to do a little first go at it so you can make sure that you kind of pave the way for the next dowel so you don't mess up your little star. There we go! Oh my gosh, how cute! Isn't that adorable, you guys? Oh man, that is super, super cool. Hey, guys, if you want to win this cake, y'all know what to do. You gotta just like and share this video. You guys are so amazing. You all put all the beautiful word out about Sugar Blush, all the cakes, all around the city. Thank you so much for all of your blessings. Thank you so much for all of your shout outs. Thank you for all of your encouragement. Thank you for everything. You guys are amazing. And Sugar Blush wouldn't be what it is without you guys. And definitely without the Lord, I could do nothing. So I just got to give him praise too, because it's all about his glory and never my own. So guys, you know what to do. Like and share this video, and I will announce the winner tomorrow evening. And if you're out of town, I'll send you some cookies because I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.